For the plug and play, we're going to attach this connector here to the transmission connector here. This has power, ground, and CAN bus on it. So it's all in one big connection. This will flip up like that. You push in the ends here to pop it out. Visually inspect it, make sure all the pins can be protruding properly. Plug that in there. Then there, over here, snap in place. And you simply tuck it back down. Voila. The last step for those who want to do it is tuning integration. Download the free CANFlex app and connect. You'll see the mixture show up here. If you're a BMW model with CAN bus wires attached, you'll see some other data appear here like RPM and so forth. We'll click on settings up here. You'll notice that CAN bus output now is for JB4. So if you are, for example, using MHD, you'll pick this top one up here, MHD BM3 EC. Most systems now use E3. It's a standardized protocol. There's a few systems that use alternate addresses, which are down below here. If you're doing a system that is a non-BMW, you'll want to use the universal EC. Of course, the analog output, if you're using it, can remain enabled. 0 to 5 volts is typical there. And for those who are using our 10-bar fuel pressure sensor kit, you'll want the 10-bar setting. But that pretty much covers everything here. There's some additional features in here if you need to update the firmware, any 5 calculator, stuff like that. But the main thing is to do the CAN bus setup if you're doing tuning integration. We get more tech support on that than anything else, where people will install it and they'll say, oh, it won't connect to my MHD, and it turns out they didn't even go in the app and select MHD. So we wanted to make sure that was included in every video. If you have any additional questions, just feel free to email us directly, support@berbertuning.com. We'd be happy to help.